Hello guys, this is Arkniel Gaming, and once again we're going to take a chance in this Starlight Lucky Chess. Sometimes you're lucky and sometimes you are unlucky and have to spend 500 just for a Starlight. So I have one premium Starlight available. So let's see. Let's try to draw 2. Another 2. That's now 6 draws. Let's try 1. 1 again. Oh! Nice one! 80 diamonds. Wait, is that correct? 80 diamonds for a premium Starlight card. We lucked out, guys. Thank you for watching. I won't continue anymore. We have 42 left, so that's 80 diamonds spent. 8 in 8 draws. Nice one. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not. That's how the lucky box of Starlight box is for. Bye-bye.